What's up, guys? Thank you so much for coming back to the channel and checking out another reaction video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff you already know how to do. And as always, hit that bell so you never miss when I upload a brand new video, because it could be the video that you requested. There are two ways you can request videos for me to react to on this channel. Number one is by leaving your request in any of my YouTube video comment sections. I read every single comment. And number two is by sending it to me on social media. In the description of this video, along with our sponsors, you'll find my Next Level Connect link. It's basically my link tree. You can find every form of social media that I'm on. Shoot me a message with your request, and I'll get to it just as quickly as I can. This one came through my Instagram DMs, and recently we've been reacting to a lot of Jensen Ackles, a.k.a. Dean from Supernatural. I recently found out that he actually sings, and he's really, really good. So we've got a bunch of requests to check out some more of his songs and some more of Radio Company, his band. So we've done Jensen Ackles before, but now we're going to jump into a Radio Company song because I got this request a lot. This is going to be Radio Company, Sounds of Someday. So let's go. Pretty excited.
This is a little song called Sounds of Someday.
I've heard him do one-offs. I've never heard him with the band. At least I don't think so. Maybe I did and just didn't realize it, but I'm pretty sure I've just seen him do like one-offs. I'm excited to see the entire presentation of the band, and I love that scenery, by the way. That whole backdrop is awesome. Kind of like speakeasy, steampunk, Victorian kind of vibe. Really, really like it.
All gone is here today, finding room to breathe.
Whoa! That was like instant chill bumps everywhere. I can already tell this is going to be my favorite song I've heard of his. That was like, guys, I still have goosebumps. That was just like instant full body chills. I love that lower registry. I love that you instantly could tell this is going to be a more storytelling song, a more emotional song, a more captivating song. Like, all of his songs are good. I haven't seen a bad one yet, but I feel like this one of you said in my Instagram DMs that this was going to be the most emotional song I see him do. And just from the way this song started, I can feel it. I can, oh my God. I want to go back. I'm going to try not to pause this throughout the song. No promises. I can already tell I'm going to love it. Correct me if I'm wrong, wasn't this in the show?
All gone is here today, finding room to breathe. Go on, be on your way and see.
That is insane.
Oh, the sounds of someday may be home. Oh, the sounds of someday may be home.
Holy shit. This is brilliant.
Even the fires on the road, trying to get away, and all the stars seem on a roll, out of control today.
I wonder if he's gonna
The
aspect of it. The instrumentals are awesome. The vocals are incredible. The whole thing just... Oh my God.
The sounds of Sunday made me whole. Yeah. The sounds of Sunday made me whole.
How is it fair for one person to be that damn talented?
The sounds of Sunday may be home.
What? It's not fair. It's not fair. He can act. What? So you mean he can act, he can sing, and he's handsome? It's not fair. What in the world? Jesus Christ. There's not really much to say here, guys. That whole thing, from start to finish, it was just a moment. And there's really nothing left here to say. It was fantastic. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff you know how to do. This has just blown my freaking mind. It's one thing to do like these really iconic covers, right? Because you can sing those enough and kind of just... But to do that, it's not fair that one person is that talented. Thank you all so much for being here. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I love you. God bless you. I'm praying for you. I'll see you at the next one. I'm out.